Hey everyone, my name's Jared and we are talking about dead batteries. They're the absolute worst. You go to ride and boom, nothing. In order to avoid the terrible stomach-dropping feeling that comes with the discovery of a dead battery, you'll need to keep your motorcycle's battery connected to a charger when there are long periods between rides. To give your battery a lifeline to a Harley-Davidson Battery Charger that's equipped with a black connector, you're gonna need this compatible wiring harness. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the harness onto your battery. All right, so first, these upcoming instructions are for a negative grounding system, which is the most common. But if your motorcycle has a positive grounding system, which is very uncommon, you're gonna need to follow the instructions in reverse, okay? So first up, you're gonna remove any bags or anything that's impeding in the way of getting underneath the seat. That's where your battery's at. So you're going to remove these saddle bags. Next up, you'll remove the seat. Just like that. Access to here. Removing the strap. Now we have access to the battery. In order to access the battery, you are going to need to remove some plates and some things to access it. First off, got some Torx bits holding down the battery. Utilizing the tank cover, which is great, so you protect your paint. Now you're going to remove some connectors. So remove those two fasteners. Going to slide these off and remove this module from the top. Push that to the side. This tray can now be removed and you have access to your battery. Now that you have full access to your battery, the first step you're going to do is connect the positive or the red eyelet to the terminal connector, the positive side of the battery. And then you're going to follow it up, remove the fastener, and put the negative or the black eyelet terminal connector to the negative battery terminal. It's as simple as that. Let's go ahead and again, loosen those fasteners and attach it. Once it's connected, you do have this pigtail right here. That's your connector. So wherever you feel comfortable, go ahead and kick it out underneath the seat, maybe put it under cover, or wherever you feel comfortable where you have easy access to it. It's as simple as that. It's a fairly simple process, especially if you are familiar with the basic battery maintenance. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.